You won't believe why my office decorations got taken down. 2 years after college, I ended up in a corporate 9-to-5 job in Virginia. It wasn't what I wanted. Grad school rejected me, Peace Corps too. But bills don't wait, so I took the job. My manager, Carrie, noticed I wasn't happy. Knowing I loved Harry Potter, she set up a Ravenclaw-themed cubicle for me. Blue and silver decor, photos, even a Luna Lovegood Funko Pop. It made me feel welcome, and I'll always be grateful. But then, someone complained. HR told me I had to take it all down. Did you think that was it? Nope. A few months later, layoffs hit. I wasn't fired, but guess who was? Yep, the coworker who complained about my decorations. And the HR rep who gave the order? Gone too. You thought that was the end? Well, no. After she left, I put my Ravenclaw stuff back up. It instantly made me feel better about being at work again. But now some of her friends are upset. They think I'm celebrating her layoff. That wasn't my intention. I just wanted to feel good at work again, not stare at blank walls. So now I can't help but wonder, am I the bad one here?